Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Tantan ASN dating app on your mobile device. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up your Tantan application as I have already opened this. And either you can choose your mobile number or your Facebook account. I'm choosing the phone number and simply click on the continue button. And over here you just need to enter your password. In case if you forgot your password, just click on reset here as I forgot my password and click on next. And you need to select in this order as this and this and click on OK. You will get a code in your mobile number. See guys, code has been notified 886864 8864 and create a new password. Now see guys, your application is open. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.